Type 2 diabetes is the only health condition that I talk about 2 nutrient connections with in my book. I use the connection between vitamin D and both insulin release as well as insulin receptor binding as my main example to explain how nutrient shortfalls increase risk for health conditions, including reviewing the studies showing improvements to the glucose response and insulin sensitivity when diabetics supplement with vitamin D. And then chapter 5, the minerals chapter, I talk about the role of chromium in the same system. For all 27 nutrient disease connections in my book, I not only explain the actual physiology, how not getting enough of that nutrient increases symptomology or disease risk, but also the best food sources. And if there are studies that show that when we eat those foods, we reduce risk of that health condition, I share those too. But there are 20 nutrients whose dietary shortfalls increase risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 20. Which is why a food-based approach to meeting our nutritional needs is so important. Foods contain many nutrients, so it is much easier, cheaper, and more effective to get the full range of nutrients our bodies need when we get them from foods. Vitamin D is a little bit of an exception here. I recommend getting your levels tested and then talking with your doctor about whether or not a supplement is appropriate for you. And if you want to learn about all 20 of those nutrients and exactly how they link to risk of type 2 diabetes, along with the best food sources, this month's Patreon ebook for my Nutrivore Super Nerds tier is Nutrients for Type 2 Diabetes. This is my latest Patreon ebook series, and I'm adding a new nutrients for health condition every month. Type 2 diabetes is the 5th one in this series. So if you sign up now, you'll also get access to nutrients for high blood pressure, nutrients for high cholesterol, nutrients for heart disease, and nutrients for stroke. Plus the previous ebook series, Eat the Rainbow. And there's 19, I think, nutrient fun fact sheets now. 19 deep dive podcast episodes, 5 rapid fire podcast episodes. So much cool stuff on my Patreon. So I hope you'll join the awesome community there. Enjoy all of the Patreon exclusive resources I've created and accept my appreciation for supporting me, my work, my team, and Nutrivore.